So guys, update, we have new car for our technician. This is the owner's car, and this is for our technician car, guys, for our team. Additional new car. Alright, ganda ba? Yan ay Changan din, Changan Hunter. Right, so sana magtagal. Alright, saan? Oh, nice car. Ito ang ating bagong sasakyan. Of course, it's okay. It is Hunter, the car. Amigo car for our technicians. Right? Very nice. Very good, very nice. Right, 4x4 guys. It's Changan Hunter. Ganda, no? Oh, we're trying the car. Alright, Changan. Dodo? Oh, then right. So on, it's on. Fucking Changan. Right? Then off. Don't put the don't put the gas. Maybe put a lot of drop. So guys, ito na, i-check natin ang car na Changan 4x4. So as you can see guys, meron dito 4x4 na ano, and this is a keyless start button. Just press the brake and yeah. Just what happened? Changan kami. Yeah, okay na siya. Ganda. Guys, keyless ang Changan 4x4 car na ito. Go na, I will come there. So ayan guys, right, keyless siya. So off na natin. Yeah, diba ang galing. So right, good. So ito na siya, ang bagong, hindi man bago, second hand to na Changan. Alright, so let's go. Yan, ang laki niya, pwede siya sa t-shirt to. Let's go. Right, good.
My number, you all three.
It means our
You see, me 433, you 233. Number you see.
ay kama? So yan na nga, si Jamshir, sinecheck niya ang sasakyan. Okay, good. Happy? Alright, very good.